Hi there, I'm Ashley from Sew Making It Up. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy pumpkin. We're in October and it's some people's absolutely favourite time of the year, and they like to put all sorts of scary stuff around their houses. So this is just a quick tutorial to show you how to make a quick and easy pumpkin. These are a couple that I made already. This is made out of star cotton fabric, just with a couple of pipe cleaners, a little bit Jack Willsy. And this one, yes, I went completely over the top with. It's made with some velvet squares, and I've sewn little bits of bling on it. So I'll probably end up keeping this and using it as a pin cushion. Anyway, watch away, and I look forward to seeing any creativeness that you manage to conjure up.